Shut up, you don't know me. Squeal like a pig when you pickpocket, pickpocket. Black shades in the other place. Mr. P.I.G. Could I fucking see? Shorty done crushed all of my brother's dick.